Hey guys, I got these Zookki solar motion sensor lights. They're LED. They come 4 in a box. I got them off of Amazon for I think about 29 bucks, and they were free shipping. So let's open them up and take a look. First of all, how the box look. There's not much on the box. And at the bottom, just the front, there's a sticker that shows 4 lights. It says Zookki solar motion sensor lights, LED 4-pack. So let's open it up. So here's a manual. Tells you how to mount them and what to do. And then, okay, there's some screws in here. And there's like a small pin. That's to turn this light on and off. I will show you where the on and off switch is. There are 4 lights in here, and I was pretty surprised they fit in this small tiny box, but they fit them pretty good, and they were packaged really good. So here's how they look. They have the name Zookki. That's the solar panel to charge the lights, and then you have the LED light here and the motion sensor, this round thing right here. And this how the back looks. They do have spots for mounting them on the wall, 2 screws for each light. And then let me kind of show you where to turn them off and on. Let me take this little, so this is how the little pin looks. All it is, right in front, right next to the motion sensor, there's a little tiny hole here with the power button sign on it. You just stick the pin in here and then press. There you go. Once you press, you'll see it turn on. And it is pretty bright. It's a small light, but still very bright. I wanted to do it in a little bit of dark, so when I turn the light on, you guys can see how bright it is. So here, let me turn it off. See, this is a normal light. And they're fairly light, and they seem to be good quality lights. Obviously, I just got them. I haven't tested them. I'm not sure how long they will last, but it does say on the instructions that they should get at least 8 hours of light for them to charge up all the way, so you can get the best use out of them. And to be mounted 10 feet, the highest, I believe. You can mount them as low as you want. The highest should be 10 feet, so I guess the motion sensor can catch the motion. So there you have it, guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will leave a link in the description. So if you want to purchase, you can go ahead and purchase. Click on that link. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.